Hello guys, how are you? Sorry for the last 2 weeks I didn't post video here. I have some struggles, some problems to post video here, but now I'm here again, okay? Before I start, I already recorded this video only in Portuguese, so if you didn't see yet, it's on the link below, okay? So there I will talk only in Portuguese. Now I will talk only in English. And today I will talk about that book here in English. It's a book called Forrest Gump. It's about a guy that talk about a lot of stories, and it's a fun book, but I will talk about how I getting back to read this book, because I started to read this book like 4 or 6 months ago, and then I stopped to read, and now I'm getting back again. 2 days ago I started to read this book again, and I had some experience, some strange experience, because I wasn't reading in English. Like, I spent 4 months without reading book in English, and when I started to read and when I get back to read this book again, I experienced some stranger things. I was reading in English and then I was understanding, but there was a strange feeling. It's hard to express that in English. I was understanding that story, but wasn't clear in my mind, you know? I was reading like, oh, I was sitting in the bank, but in my mind it was clear enough to understand the whole situation. But spend it one day reading like that, and in the second day I spent like 10 minutes reading in English, and then my brain started to working in English again. And suddenly I was reading in English. It was like I was reading in Portuguese, you know, and what almost was the same thing to me before reading like 30 minutes in English. And my brain started to think in English, and the things was getting, oh no, and the things were, and the things were getting clear in my mind, and everything was alright to read in English. If you would like to read the same book I'm reading right now, the link for download it's here below this video. You can start reading with me, but be careful, this is a book B1. It's not an easy book like A1, because it's kind of intermediate. You need a little bit of vocabulary, but if you already understand me now, of course you can read this book too. So if you like this video, don't forget to leave your like, it's too important, and see you the next time, guys.